Okay, July 11, 2015, Saturday. This cat was spayed how long? 10 days ago, right? By Dr. Daniel. And now you can see the stitches are. This one stitch come out, right? There are 3 stitches, and the wound is very clean. So today, you just come to stitch removal, right? The cat eating and drinking?
Okay.
Eating and drinking, okay?
Yeah,
Okay, so now we remove the stitch. Normally this stitch can dissolve by themselves, but they take about a month. So it's better to come back and remove. Then the cat can take off the e-collar already. They no need to wear the e-collar already. The appetite is good, right?
yes.
Drinking.
Yeah.
Why do you sterilize the cat? Why?
Why?
Is there a reason?
Must sterilize.
Prevent pregnancy. Sometimes they make a lot of noise at night. Does she?
Yeah.
They make a lot. Like that. Have not? Your cat have this problem. Let me see now the stitch. Now some cream.